Hey! You watching Moose A Moose? Yeah. Look at you all cute just sitting there. You wanna play with Monkey? You wanna play with Monkey? Flap. Yeah, he's like so distracted.
I mean, backyard against hopscotch printables, cardboard, one small tablecloth, or 25 bed sheet, iron-on transfer paper, rubber backing, and an iron. Okay, guys, let's practice on hockey.
He's like,
Monkey
what?
did it. Monkey did it. Come here.
What happened to the TV?
Okay.
Yeah. He's still looking at it like, you guys are going to turn that back on, right?
Get the monkey. Oh, get the rabbit.
What you doing?
He knows what's going on.
I know. It gets stuck inside his pants.
I think it's about time for a snack. What do you guys think? For complete directions and more ways to play, check out parents.nickjr.com.
I see you.
Let's play shorter or taller one more time. This time, tell me who is shorter. Me? Why
Moose is on. He's not paying no attention to anything else but Moose.
Wait. He's trying to look around my hand. Am I in your way? Am I in your way? Like, Mom, stop being annoying. Gosh. I'll just crawl around you.
Preschoolers to explore Chinese culture and language, and to share and care by supporting social and emotional development.
Look at all this cuteness. Look at all this cuteness. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Say, look at all my teeth. Look at all the teeth. You gonna show your teeth? See them? See, I have 8 teeth now. 4 on top and 4 on bottom. All the front ones. Good, Walleye. You hungry, baby? Is that why you smacking your lips? He's so distracted by the TV. Can't see the TV? Can't see the TV? Can't see the TV? You mad? You mad, bro? Gah. Say, look at me standing. You're too close to the camera, woman. I can't really. Ah, there, you got the camera now. Oh, no. No. Ah. Getting attacked by the baby. No, no, no. Where do you think you're going? Oh, you better not climb up there, son. Yeah, you know better. You know better. Come on. get the monkey. Get the monkey. Get him. Get him. What are you doing, son? What are you doing? Oh, strange baby.
You found another one. You're a super helper. Yeah, we found 2 apples.
Great.
You nomming on him. What are you doing to him now? Ah, no. Walking. Okay, if you're gonna keep attacking me, I'm gonna have to turn the camera off. Oh, baby. Okay, there will be more video later.